A thief broke into my house last night. He started searching for money, so I woke up and searched with him. You're welcome.
Want some food? Oh, yes, you do.
Watch out! They all want out so bad to run, but it's raining and kind of snowing today, so I'm not letting them out. Hungry girls! I can't believe it's snowing and I can see my breath. This is terrible. We're gonna start on this back wall here, so we just pulled the gym forward and took the stuff off the wall so we can get started on it. You go to the end?
Yep.
Is this gonna...
Get one in the end there.
Guess I don't need to send it to you. 26 3/4. Let's see if my measurements are correct. Yeah, looks good. Yeah.
So I think we mentioned in the past, this here's hemlock that we're using. It was about half the price of the pine. We had done pine on the cathedral ceiling, but now we're using hemlock here. And these are closer to 8" than those ones. Those are probably 6.5, even though they're 1x8. We bought them at Home Depot. We got these milled. These are also shiplapped as well. But these here, hemlock tends to dry quite a bit and can even split quite a bit too. But anyways, we're watching for that. We already let it climatize in the house. But this stuff here, we have a wood stove, so it's going to dry up no matter what. And the only thing it may do is this here may curl a little bit. I'm not overly concerned about it. We're not concerned about it at all, actually, because we're looking for like a rustic look to the wall, like a barn board look. So this will be perfect for what we're going for anyway. But just thought I'd mention about the hemlock, these ends and stuff here, right? You may, like, they shiplap over each other, but it may still curl up and out a bit. So you may, like, when you're rubbing like up the wall here, it'd stick out, right? So it may end up with a little more of a gap in between here over time and stuff. But just this is the look we're going for, so that's all good anyway. And it'll still be covered up because it's a shiplap, so this will be underneath, so it's not going to spread right out or anything. But just thought I'd let you know that if you didn't know or wondered what we're using, that kind of thing. But I think it's going to look awesome. We're loving it so far, and the price is right.
You are the first 4 contestants on The Price is Right.
I welcome you to The Price is Right.
Going to hold it.
Oh, we got kind of a crappy piece right there. I'm just trying to use up way around some imperfections on this wood, that's for sure. Good there?
Yeah.
Got the Tommy gun.
Good ends. Okay.
That's how crazy it is.
That just went up. To the middle.
Yeah. That one's a little rough looking. Great. Like we said, we're not going for perfection here, but it'll look like an old barn house, and that's just fine, because this wood was cheap. Coming in hot.
Yes, so.
Whatever. I recut it. Some here. All right, so that's the start on it. I think it's looking all right.
Yeah, it looks good.
Again, that's hemlock, so saved us a pile of money with it. And we're not looking for this smooth, crazy nice finish.
Perfect.
But
It's perfect for us.
but it is gonna look nice, like for that rustic-y barn board.
Yeah.
Legit look like that.
Cabiny,
Right.
off-griddy look.
Yeah.
Yeah, we like it.
So we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.